Hi, my name is Faisal. My bit ID is 2022 M293048. So the application which we build in the Android SDK in Flutter framework, it is already executed in the Android emulator. That particular application is installed in my Android phone. We're gonna run that Android app. Now the app is opened and we are gonna conduct the CRUD operation in SQLite database. We can create a new user by clicking on the add button in the bottom right corner. You can enter name, contact and description. Contact number is added. Try to save. We can't save. I just want to add the description also to create the user profile. So all the details like name, contact and description is added by clicking on the save details button. The first user profile is created. So we conducted the first operation like create operation in SQL database. You can read this data which is already created by just clicking on the first user profile. We can read the name, contact, description details. By clicking on the back arrow, we can go back to the previous menu. And we can update the existing user by clicking on the edit button. So I'm gonna update the user details. You can edit any of the details. So I made it some few changes in the first user name and also the description. Also I made some changes in the contact number. By clicking on the update detail button, the first user profile got updated. You can read the updated profile by just clicking on the first user. You can read the name, contact and description, the updated one. Go back by pressing on the back arrow. I'm gonna create another user with the second user. I entered the name. I entered the contact number. I entered the description. By clicking on the save details button, a new second user profile got created. So I'm going to create a third profile. I entered the name of the third profile user and the contact number. I entered a description by clicking on the save button. The third profile also got created. So we created, we read and also we updated the user profile. If I want to update the third or the second, I just want to click on the edit button. I just want to enter the details. Edit the details, and by clicking on the update details button, the user details got edited or updated. If I want to create if I want to delete, the last operation is delete. If I want to delete any particular user, I just want to click on the delete button. After confirmation of the delete, you can press the delete icon for the confirmation. The user got deleted. I'm gonna delete the first user by clicking on the delete button. By confirming, by pressing on the delete button again, the first user also got deleted. So now I'm gonna add another user. And I'm gonna save this user by clicking on save details. So now I have two profiles in my application or my database. I close this application and I reopen the application. I can see the already existing user because it's already saved in the internal SQLite database of the Android. So thus we have already conducted the code operation in both emulator and also in an Android application. And this application is built in Android SDK with Flutter, and the same app code can be used to execute the code or execute the app in Android, sorry, in the iOS platform and also in the web platform. So now we have executed the code in Android platform. So that's all. Thank you.